So hi guys, in this video we are going to see trigonometry, which is of introduction, which is lesson number 8, where we are going to see 8.4 exercise. In that one fifth question we have already solved the fourth question, and then the introduction is actually being given. If you want, I will be giving the link in the description. So this is the first question. They are saying us whether this identity is correct or not, whether this identity is the correct identity or not. So identity is nothing but where LHS should be equal to RHS, which is left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So where now if you are just taking any one side, you can just take any one side, then in that case this side should be equal to this side and this side should be equal to this side. So very simple, you need to take any one side and then you need to continue the sum. Then in that case, if you are having the answer which is in this right hand side, for example this sum, if I'm just simplifying this sum, and then at last the answer, if in case the answer is equal to this one, then yes, it is an identity. In case of no, it's not equal to, then it is not an identity. They are saying that we need to prove. So which means these all are these all 10 are actually of identities. Okay, so we need to prove all these 10 questions. You can just see here they are like up to 10 questions. So these all 10 questions should be proved by us. Okay, so now let me take the first question, which is just this one, which is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So where in this case you can take any one, but this one is what the workoutable thing, like this one makes me, I'll be taking this one, okay, because this one you can't work out, this one you can work out. Okay, so here in this case LHS where this one, so where LHS you need to mention that which side you are taking. So this one is what LHS, so I'm taking this side, which is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. Okay, so now this cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta minus, so this one can be, this cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta. You may ask me how. Okay, so it's very simple. This cot theta, we all know that cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Yes, right. So where now this tan theta's value also we all know. So where tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So where now if I'm just substituting this tan theta's value in here, then we will be getting it. So which is equal to 1 by sin theta divided by cos theta, which is further equal to cos theta by sin theta. Yes, we got it. That's it. See, you guys can see that one. Okay, so that is what I have here. So now here it is very simple that first you need to do is, now here sin theta and sin theta is equal. So where 1 minus cos theta by sin theta the whole square. Okay, so where now you need to do is you need to give the square to each thing. Okay, so for easy understanding purpose I'm doing this one. So where now this square is actually belonging to this one and then to this one, so which can be written as, which is equal to, okay, 1 minus cos theta the whole square by sin square theta. Yes, right. So now which can be further written as, so where this sin theta, the sin square theta value we all know that, which is equal to cos square theta minus 1. You may ask me how. Okay, so it's very simple that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, this is an identity. Okay, we have already done this identity too. So this is part 3. So here, yes, we have already, this is actually part 4. Yes, this is actually part 4, guys. Sorry, this is actually part 4. So where now this sin theta, this sin square theta will make a subject. So where sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so this is how we got this one. So okay, so where from 1 minus cos this after this step, so where this one can be written as a minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, or else you can also do by then another step by just writing this one by considering here as square. You can write here as, actually this is actually square, right? So here at the final answer we will be getting here plus, okay, because this one can be written as 1 minus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so whole divided by, so here you guys can see that here it is, as I said that here you can write this sin square theta as this one, 1 minus cos square theta, because this is what the identity which we have. If you are just transposing this cos square theta to the right hand side, then it will be minus cos square theta. So where the sin square theta's value will be this 1 minus cos square theta. So here if you are substituting here 1 minus cos square theta, okay, so here actually this sin square is actually belonging to both of them. So, and as well as for the answer purpose, I will be putting here square, actually, because 1 square is equal to 1. So that is why I am having the right to put I'm having the rights to put like this. So or else we will not have, because this 1 square is equal to 1 only. So now this one can be written as a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So here where I can write this one as a 1 minus cos theta, now 1 minus cos theta divided by, so here it can be written as like this. So 1 minus cos theta, cos square theta multiplied, then 1 plus cos theta. So like this one. So where now you guys can see that this and this is same. So and here it is multiplying. So where you can cancel it out. So this one and in this one will be cancelled out. So where which is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So we got it, guys. So this is for the first question. Next is the second question. So where the second question is actually saying that cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A whole divided by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Okay, so here as you guys can see that where now so here this one can be written as the sin A value is actually equal to 1 by cosec A. Okay, so instead of taking this values change, so where you can just first let me make this one in a simplified form. So where now I can multiply this cos A with this cos A, so multiplying with this one and then with this one. Okay, so in that case, and actually I'm taking here LHS only, LHS. So where LHS is actually equal to cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay, so where now you can just multiply this cos A with this cos A and then this one with this one. Okay, so okay guys, so where now we can just do cross multiplication, which will be helping us. Okay, so cross multiplication will be like this. Okay, so where if we are doing here now, so cos A into cos A will be cos square A plus then this into this, where it will be 1 plus sin A multiplied by 1 plus sin A. So here which can be this step can be written as a plus b the whole square. Okay, so where this one can be written as a plus b the whole square. Okay, so let me do one show. So where cos square A plus 1 plus sin A the whole square. So where now it can be cos square A plus, so where a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So here also the same process or the same steps. Okay, so where it will be 1 square plus 2 sin A plus sin square A. Okay, so where we all know that the cos square A and plus sin square A is equal to 1. Okay, from the identity the one which is like sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So same here too. So where 1 plus 1 square is also 1 plus 2 sin, so which will be 2 sin A. Okay. So actually this is all happening in the numerator. The numerator. These all steps were actually happening in the numerator. Which means in this one, okay, cross multiplication. Now coming to the denominator form, okay, actually I can just do like this even, but maybe this one will be like highly understandable than that, I think so. So where the denominator will be here, the denominator is actually 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, actually here I should be having the denominator and I can be multiplying this one, but instead of doing like that one, which is a little bit clumsier for my aspect or for my idea, so that is why I'm doing like this one. So where this one all will be the denominator. Okay, so for the denominator, okay, so where if you are doing like this, now that's it. So this is what for the denominator, so which will be cos A into 1 plus sin A. So that's it. So where now this is for denominator, right? So now if you're just substituting the value, which means that this 1 plus 1 will be 2. So where 2 plus 2 sin A by cos A 1 plus sin A. As I said that this is the denominator. So where now you can do this one by like this. Here you guys can see that 2 here and here is actually common. So I can take here 2 as common. So which will be 2 into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A divided by, so here cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay, so where this one and this one will be cancelled out, where now it will be 2 by cos A. So 2 by cos A. So where 2 by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. You may ask me how. It's very simple, because 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. So here 2 by cos A will be equal to 2 sec A. That's it.